Hi everyone. I just wanted to share how I fixed my dog Shadow's doggy door using 3D printing and a free Onshape account. I started measuring the part with a pair of calipers. It was a simple rectangle that I split in half and added a few circles to. I mirrored each half, extruded and rounded the corners and printed it. It looked pretty good, so I took it outside and started comparing it to the doggy door and hardware. It seemed to be an exact match, but the design of using the screw to cut its own threads into the plastic is flawed and would fail again, so I went back into Onshape and added captured nuts. Onshape has great features that allow you to easily manipulate your drawings. A couple of extrusions and adjustments later, I had a file to send to the printer. After scrubbing the doggy door clean, I enlisted a helper and we installed the new part. With the installation complete, the only thing left to do was try it out. Shadow was super excited to have her door back. 3D printing is super awesome for functional prints like this. It allows you to fix something that's broken without having to go to the store and spend another $70 on a new doggy door. Shadow was super excited to have her door back.
No, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.